If I had to name a best produce buy of the season, I'd probably have a pretty tough time. I mean, between the colorful bell peppers, juicy homegrown tomatoes, and fresh corn on the cob, I'd have to declare it a tie, especially since all three of them are at rock bottom prices. So what do you say we whip up an easy salad that combines all of these into a summertime favorite? We start off by boiling some corn on the cob just until it's tender. Then we take it out of the pot and let it cool. Next, we chunk up a few tomatoes, a green pepper, and a couple of scallions. You want to make sure the tomatoes are ripe, yet still on the firm side. Now we cut the kernels off the cob with a corn stripper, or you could use a chef knife. Then we toss everything together along with a lemony vinaigrette. It's what makes this salad come to life. See, told you it was easy. And since peppers, corn, and tomatoes are all so abundant this time of year, you can make a boatload for next to nothing. It's so good, you're going to want to. To get the recipe for what we call our darn good corn salad, which of course includes the recipe for the lemon dressing, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a summer fresh way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Summery.
Delicious.
Corny.